Hello guys and welcome back. Yet another productivity tip, and today I'm going to show you how you can drill down into your Excel pivot tables. So let's move on to our Excel spreadsheet where we have one Excel pivot table. It has sales by regions: north, south, east, west, and then north. This is a spelling mistake, so we'll drill down and fix this as well. On the other hand, we want to see the total sale of east and north, etc., etc. So if you go to the main data, it's quite scattered. What I want to see is I want to see the data for 87,000. That is the sales for east. Data for east, that is 87,000. So I would like to see more detail of that. How you can reach this, just simply double click on it and it will take you to the overall data where you can see the salespeople, you can see the total sales made, you can see the social security of the number of the resources, etc., etc., all those details. So this is one way of drilling down into your pivot table. Now, we have another issue, the spelling mistake that we need to fix. As we can see that north and north is the same. So this is same but different. So we need to change it. Simply, you have to go to the pivot table. In this case, go to the original data origin. If you don't know where is the origin of the data, you can simply select the pivot table, go to your analyze pivot table, and there you have multiple options, and one of them is change data source. Once you click on it, it will take you to the data source and you can reach it and you can know where it is. So here we have two types of north and north, which is the mistake, spelling mistake. So I will simply copy paste and fix it, and I will turn it back to normal. I will refresh the pivot table, and now I have only one north. So that's how you can drill down and fix your pivot tables as well, fellows. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, share it with your colleagues and friends, and don't forget to comment in the comment section. I look forward to speak to you again. Till then, ta-da. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regularly notifications from my new videos.